Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the audio and scene so the visualizer has something to react to. First, open Wallpaper Engine and create a new scene. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. Then import your audio file or enable desktop audio capture so system sound feeds the visualizer. Once done, add an audio source object to the scene and assign the track. This binds waveform data to visual elements, which is essential for responsive visuals and timing. Next, you focus on creating the visuals that respond to sound and why each setting matters. Add elements, bars, rings, or particles, and link their scale, opacity, or color to specific audio bands so lows move bass elements and highs trigger treble details. Then tweak sensitivity and smoothing to control jumpiness versus fluid motion. Higher sensitivity makes subtle sounds visible, while smoothing prevents jitter. Make sure to map frequency ranges deliberately so each element reacts in a musically meaningful way. Finally, you polish and export the scene so it runs smoothly on your desktop. Preview in real time and adjust element layers, colors, and trigger thresholds to balance visibility and performance. Once satisfied, export or apply the scene as wallpaper and set performance limits like max FPS or texture sizes to avoid CPU spikes. If the visualizer fails to respond, check that the audio source is active, confirm desktop audio capture permissions, and reduce smoothing or sensitivity to restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.